Imagine you're out on a scorching hot day during a European heat wave, and your body's cooling system suddenly fails. Your body is designed to stay perfectly balanced at 37 degrees Celsius. The hypothalamus signals blood vessels to widen and sweat glands to cool you through evaporation. This elegant system protects your brain, heart, and organs every day. But in extreme heat and humidity, everything changes. Heat gain quickly overwhelms your defenses. High humidity stops sweat from cooling you. Extreme heat unfolds vital proteins inside cells. Brain cells swell, causing confusion or worse. Your heart works dangerously hard. Kidneys fail to filter, muscles break down. This triggers dangerous widespread inflammation. Cells become leaky, toxins spread fast. Multiple organs head toward failure. It can strike anyone, young or old. Watch for confusion, hot skin, rapid pulse. One second of delay can change everything. Cool with water or ice immediately. Humidity, dehydration, and exertion raise risk. Drink before thirst. Wear loose clothes. Build tolerance slowly over days. Your body is incredibly resilient. More life-saving 3D biology coming.